Hey folks, welcome to the channel. This week we're at Desoto State Park up in right outside of Fort Payne, Alabama, up in northeast Alabama. So we're going to take a little tour of this park and show you the campground and some of the other amenities that it has, and we'll take you along with us. If you hadn't subscribed to the channel, we'd greatly appreciate it if you consider that, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. It'll help out the channel. We appreciate that. So here we go. Alright, we're going to take you for a little walk around this campground, kind of give you a view what the sites look like here. So most of them are pretty good from what we've seen so far, but we're in site 3, so we're going to take a walk and take you along with us. As we walk up the hill a little bit from us on the same loop, you can see some of them start to get a little uphill. They try to level them as much as they could, but I think you still have to do a good bit of leveling on some of them. Alright, site 12 is a buddy site, so that's pretty cool. You and your buddies come up and get in the same site. Alright, now we made up to the top of the loop, coming down the other side. It's pretty cool here. I think it's about 38, 39 degrees. Got a little creek running down beside the road. Got some folks with a campfire going there. Alright, we're going to walk on down and take a look at another loop. Alright, we're walking down through the second loop, and all these are pretty much pull-through sites, so pretty easy. Just pull through it, hook up, and you're done. One good thing about this place, they have 94 campsites. And all 94 are full hookup, so I do have a dump station just in case you need that, but doesn't look like it gets much use. I understand why. Yeah, as I mentioned earlier, they are full hookup, so I do believe it's 30 and 50 amp. Take a look and see. Yep, 30 and 50. One more thing they do have here. Have cable TV hookup. Pretty neat, way up here in the mountains. Alright, most of the pull-through sites, not most of them, but all of them are sites 36 through 58. So if you need a pull-through site, be looking for one of those. Alright, sites 59 through 94 are all vacuum sites, but they got this loop closed for some reason. We're gonna walk on down and take a look. Alright, there are several trails that start and end here at the campground. So if you enjoy hiking, come on up to the Desoto State Park. There's plenty of hiking for you. This is one of two bathhouses they have here at Desoto State Park. Walk in, take a look, see what the restrooms look like. Maybe there's nobody in here. Well, it's clean. It's warm. Looks really nice. Got a handicap shower. I got just the regular shower. Of course, has your standard toilet. I would describe this as a super pooper. Alright, we're coming up on the dump station here. Looks like a real nice dump station as dump stations go. Does look lonesome though. Alright, this is the main office here at Desoto State Park. They have a restaurant in there. Not sure if it's open right now. We'll walk in there and check it out in a few minutes, but I wanted to walk over here and show you some of the hotel rooms, motel rooms, whatever you want to call them, that they have up here. So we'll walk on around and take a look around back. Alright, they have a nice deck back behind the restaurant here. We'll walk out there and see what it looks like. Nice chairs, rocking chairs for you to come sit in, have your coffee after you eat a good supper. Even got a few waterfalls on the creek down there. We're going to go in here to the main office. Looks like they got some souvenirs here. And more importantly, they got the heat on, which really feels good now. They have a restaurant as well here. Looks like it's open for breakfast from 7 to 10, lunch from 11:30 to 2, and dinner from 5 to 8. So come check it out if you're up here at Desoto State Park. Of course, it's not open right now because it's not quite 5 o'clock. Yeah, they also have several cabins here at Desoto State Park. Not sure exactly how many it is, but they look pretty nice. Looks like they all have a grill and a picnic table and a fire ring. Even got a fireplace on the inside. So pretty cool. Cabins at Desoto State Park. Alright, here's the back of the lodge rooms here. What's pretty cool, you even got a little stream looking off your back porch. Well, it looks like this is the trail to the bottom of the Lodge Falls, so we're gonna head down that. Notice that sign got a little lean to it too down the side of the hill. Alright, here we go. Alright folks, that's gonna wrap up this video here at Desoto State Park Campground. So if you get a chance, come check out this campground and all the waterfalls and hiking trails around here. It's a great place to spend the weekend or the week. So if you get a chance, come check it out. And my belly's starting to growl now, so we're going to enjoy some of these hamburgers on the Blackstone. So we always say when we're planning our next new adventure, why not go see a state park, campground, and some waterfalls?